Hey guys, what's up? We're back, and you probably noticed a lot of different things. Yeah, I crafted up some iron stuff, iron helmet, and I got chainmail boots. I got myself an iron axe, a stone pickaxe. We got the 15 glowstone dust, so you know what that means. We're gonna get nightlight to max. So where's nightlight? Oh my goodness, nightlight's outside. Not good. Not. That's not good. Definitely don't want nightlight outside. Definitely don't want nightlight outside. Oh my god. How did nightlight even get out here? Whoa. Something's wrong with my... Alright, there we go. Whoa, nightlight, calm down. Calm down. Let's feed you up here. You don't know how long it took me to get this glowstone dust. Alright. He's gonna grow right now. Look at this guy! He is so cool. So cool. This guy is so look at this. Yo, night, baby boss. Yo. This place is getting bigger and bigger. Oh, whoa. Why are you floating? This isn't good. Wait, why are they floating? He's floating. Uh-oh. I can't. I gotta push him down somehow. How do I push him down? No, up. He's sitting down and he's floating. How am I gonna... Wait, I'm sitting here. Wait, where's it? Where's it? Oh no, we gotta go fast. Okay, there's no time. What does the dragon whistle do? He's already dragon whistle, right in it. Dragon whistle. I tried to make a dragon whistle. Hold to make a dragon whistle. Don't fly. No. Don't even think about it. Stay away from him. You following me? He's not following. How? How do we get fully falcon down? How? How are you flying? Bro, okay. He's not going up. But like, I don't understand. Like, what? Oh. I mean, I know I can buy another fully falcon, but what? How do I get you down? You just want to sit and chill up here. That's not how this works. If I jump out, I lose nightlight. Can't lose him. I mean, fully falcon is fine. I think I might have to leave him. He's not moving, but he just got out of here. Just sitting there. I'm not about to have any of my other dragons. How do I get? Oh, this is gonna be some air dragon. I gotta kill these things. Get back here. The dragon fight. No. Yeah, I missed. Okay, I'm underneath. I have to make a dragon fall. Oh, I don't know you're sitting. Oh, sit. Okay, he's ready to fly. Oh, this is so dumb. This is so dumb. Can I just buy a new one? What is this? Dude, this is not a good idea. Do I have to go into creative mode? I might actually have to go into creative mode, guys. Alright, you know what? I think I'm gonna go into creative mode. I'm scared. Alright, guys, please don't hate me. Nothing is working. I gotta do it. I said I wouldn't use it, but I have to. Only once. Where are you? Where are you? They're gone. They're literally gone. How far up did we go? He's not here. He did? I don't know, but... What was it? You're too high, silly. What? Doesn't he just talk? Alright. I don't know what the heck is happening. I'm gonna sit you down. I'm sitting every dragon. Sit. You sit. Every dragon's going to sit. What in the world? Game. World is survive. Okay. What in the entire world? First of all, stupid shrooms keep coming back and zombie villagers. I really need to get myself a bed. That's what I need. A bed. I can't find any sheep though. Like, sheep do not exist, apparently. Like, literally. Anyway, that was a crazy start. Let's go out exploring. Let's go. Oh, jeez. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, I got myself an iron sword, an iron axe, stone pickaxe. I got a lot of stuff. Dude, my plate looks sick at night. He's glowing, and it's just cool. I've already been to this island. There's gotta be a new island somewhere, right? There's gotta be a new island somewhere. Why are you going so low? That's the volcano. It's a snow island, spruce island, volcano island. Apparently there's a desert temple somewhere. I mean, there could be multiple islands. Like, the other fire dragon could be in the fucking encampment. We don't know. What's this? Just a floating island. There's the fucking encampment area right there. At least part of it. Oh, there's a cave. This is dumb. This is dumb. Look at them all come. Stop. What are you doing? Can I lure them into the water? It's a great idea. Lure them far away into the water. Come on, right here. Come attack me. Come on, get a little farther. Guys, we're too smart. We're too smart. Oh, wow. Too smart. Oh, what is that? Might be going. I'm going to this weird cavern thing. Stop going down. You gotta get inside. There's another area. Weird cavern area. Sit. No. Stay right there. Oh, jeez. I can't. Okay. Diamonds? Are you joking me? There's freaking diamond ore in here? Dude, I don't have enough to torch. This has to be just some cave. Right? Oh my god, more diamonds. What? How are there so many diamonds here? Why are there so many diamonds here? There's iron. And there's only one piece. Oh god, oh god, oh god, really coming. Okay, there's a ton of diamonds in there. But like, what about in here? I'm going down. Oh yeah, there's gotta be a nugget here. Don't die, please don't die. There's a chest. This was such a dumb idea. I gotta use this. Such a dumb idea. Dragon coins, thank you. Those will help me. Nope. 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 Bruh. How in the world am I supposed to get up? Diamond in here. It's 3 diamonds. Oh god. How do you get there? How in the world do I get there? You catch me. No. Mine. I can't make it. What in the world? What in the world am I doing? What in the world am I doing? What in the world am I doing? Oh. What is this? Oh, there it is. There's the other fire dragon. Oh, I really hope Nelly is not dead. I really hope he's not dead. Is this dead tube portal? Okay, they're coming, right? And they're kind of fast. This one is. Alright, never mind. His head just fell off. I don't know if this is the other one, but I do not care. Oh! Not shift. What are you doing? Dragon, what are you doing? Oh gee. Oh gee, oh gee, oh gee. Oh gee. Is this obsidian? No. It's not. Alright, I don't know where to go. How do you get there? Are you this to me? Are you this to me? This game is extremely hard. Oh my. And that's so I got my way to dead. Okay. Now how do I get back up here? I wish I got a jump boost potion, huh? No. I'm trying to be cool. I hang out with you guys every day, every week. No, I hang out with you. What are you doing? I hang out with you. Chill. Hang out with you every day. I can't wait to leave. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to leave. Oh, I just can't wait. You're kind of blocking. Actually, they're blocking the way. What am I supposed to do? Not attack? I didn't think so. No, there's lava. OG. Nope. Oh my god. Right. Have a time. Boom. Since I can't shift. Back. Calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. No way. No way. No, not believing it. Not believing it. No. Nope. No, not doing it. Not believing it. Not believing it. Nope. Just not even gonna believe it. I'm not believing it. Oh, I got this tree island. That's where I go. I can't believe it though. I got the dragon. I can't believe Nightlight's alive. Holy. Oh my god. That's. Oh, dude. I don't know what this is. This does not look like the other fire dude. He isn't the other fire dude. It's the right place? Okay, it is. I don't see any of my dragons though. I only see. Okay. Shrooms. Oh. Dude, this place is getting cramped. I don't really need to find another place. Alright, this is Magnus we already have. Can be Blaze Falcon. It might be Tigress. It could be Tigress. Dragula. No, I think it's Dragula. My guess is Dragula, which one's 50 meat. I think it's gonna be Dragula. Now I could just use the raw meat, but I don't really want to. I don't really want to use the raw meat. I'm sure it's Dragula. I mean, the spikes look similar. I mean, it can't be Blaze Falcon. This does not look like a Blaze Falcon-y egg. And like, look at it. Look, those look like weird teeth. But maybe it might be that dude again. No, it can't be that dude. It can't. We already got the egg, and look, those spikes are not his. Maybe it's Myth. No, Myth doesn't look like that. Ugh, Dude, this is hard. Maybe it's zombie. No, it's not a zombie. It could be a clang. It might be a clang. Let's see. Oh, okay, it might be clang. It's either clang or dragula. So I need 50 coal. Where am I gonna get 50 coal? Strip mining, probably. Where am I? 50 coal. A clang is so cute. Genius. What is this place? Hey, close the door, please. It might rain soon. I really don't like the rain. I'm working on a way to stop it for good. What do you think we should have? That's rain. Oh my god, if you do that, you get rain. Okay, no rain. Oh god. Oh great, now it's raining. Hey, you, make sure you clean up and put back any books you borrow. Please don't steal. You know the rules. Take what you need and return what you don't. And steal the dragon coins from everybody. Where am I gonna get 50 coal or 50 meat? Where am I gonna get that? Oh, this person has a dragon egg, like the actual dragon. Yeah, I'm jumping out. It seems to be like a library. What's this? Oh, this is like the yeah, I know what this is. Welcome to the museum for sword exhibition. This museum was founded to remind us of our history with dragons. The archipelago is one of the most biologically diverse regions in the world. Too bad these don't actually say anything. This dude, 3 heads. What in the world? This is amazing. There's an awful draft coming from that bookshelf over there. I thought I saw someone disappear after they interacted with the orange book on the bottom shelf. Weird. I'm too scared to try it. The orange book? There's nothing weird. Move! Oh. I don't have time for this. I know I'm not searching all these chests. They have garbage in them. This is a maze. Wait, a maze? Break this. Break this. Alright, how do I end this maze? No, spider. I'm not gonna ruin it. Alright, this is a maze. So where's the ending area? It's cheated, and the cheating has failed. Where? Also, it's pretty easy to get out. 3 barrel tape. Let me out. Alright, now I'm lost. Kinda. Whoa! That's freaky. Oh, one of these buttons has to do something. I don't. Okay, yeah, I'm back here. I don't really have time for this, so I'm just gonna go back. Nothing's weird about it. You're just an old version of the library. And if only I could take that armor, which I can, by the way, but I'm not gonna. looks too cool to take. Anyway. Let's go see what dragon we have. It's either Clang or Dragula. And it's a 9 because they... Wait, what is this? Dragula. Oh. Wait, what are you? You're myth. You're myth. You want Oops. You want obsidian. It's myth. Oh, okay. Oh, God. Alright. Put that there. You, myth, can go right there. It's a myth. Obsidian? 50? Oh, this might be a long time. Alright, guys. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the other island, actually. That weird giant tree island. That is somewhere where I don't remember. Oh god, I gotta go in first person. I'm not gonna because it's running away. I don't know these giant tree islands. I have no clue where it is. Alright, this is it. There's the Caracalo encampment. There's the ship. I wonder though, where will the egg be? And where is it? Oh, bees. I'm not going in there, it's completely dark. Bye bye. So I'm gonna go over here to see what type of house it is. Yeah, this is like some village. Yeah, this is a tree village. It's pretty diseased and destroyed. No, actually that looks fine, it's just works. Wait a minute. Oh, that's a cartographer. Cartographer's desk. I'm gonna park right here. Doesn't seem like anyone's around. What are our clients? I really don't know. That's this one, I guess. Photographer's table. Oh, a bed! Oh my gosh! This is the first ever time I've gotten to sleep in this world. I'm taking that. Also, I want this torch. Oh my dangering potion of hell. I don't need 2 barrels, I need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Yeah, did I even use this one? Oh, whoa. What was that? What's that green thing? Apparently I'm far away from somewhere. And opens them up is what it's trying to do to me. Anyway. I mean, there's gotta be something on the pirate ship, right? But then again, it's here in the encampment. Which I am again scared of. I was about to say, my light is flying away. I'm 64 of everything. Where should I go? Oh, spawners. There's a llama here. Oh, die. Why'd you get it? Why'd you get it? Destroy it! Yes! Oh, there's another one. Oh, these spawners. Destroying it. Slowly. There we go. Ooh. Check all the chests. They're gonna be filled with dragon coins that I could take, but I'm not gonna. Because I have a ton and my inventory's gonna be filled. Why are there 2 llamas here? Anyway, no little goodies or anything. Let's head out. I know there's something in that giant tree that I cannot go in. I can go in it, but like, it's so dark. You kidding me? That's me joking. That's me joking. Wait, no, go up. Oh no, yeah. You have to go inside the tree. I think I found the way in. It's all honey. Bro, it's just the bee. It's just the bee thing. It's all filled with honey that Anna knows. Okay, right here, literally, I almost died. And also, someone did come into my room, but don't worry, I didn't mean to say that. Don't worry, I'm a nice person. I did not mean to say that to the person that went into my room. Oh, jeez. I was on literal half hour, guys. Did you notice that? Oh, dude. Oh, we gotta get out of here. We just need to run. I'm gonna end the episode here. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe we almost died. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Like and sub.